So for the HTML, we use the editor of Visual Studio. So let's open the Visual Studio code. So here two icon you can see. First is when you click on the first icon, it will create a new file, and when you click on the second icon, it will create a new folder. But I need to create a new file, so just click on the first icon, just write the name of the file, index. The name you can write whatever you want, but for the HTML I preferably use index. So it's a welcome page, so index is mainly used. Dot HTML. HTML is the extension for the HTML file. You just click enter. Now close this sidebar. Now you need to create the HTML template. Just click on the shift and one, and this shift and one, and you will show the sign, these two signs. So click on the first, then enter. Hit enter. It will automatically create a web page template for you. So here you can see this scroll bar is shown because it's not wrapped by automatically. So just click on this, go to view, word wrap. Just wrap it and then go to the small screen and go live, and then we'll start the browser. So you can see here the web page is. Now whatever we changes in this HTML and save this document, then it automatically reflects to the browser because we are using live port 5055. So 5500. So change it welcome. Now if I save it, then you can see it's changes to the welcome. So now we will understand some basic terminology used in HTML. So first we will need to understand the element. What is the element in HTML? These are, so for example, let's take this title is an element. Element is has the start tag and some content. The welcome is the content, and this is the end tag. So element is basically made up with the three things. First is the start tag, then content, then is the end tag. So let's take the another tag. Let's talk about the paragraph tag. So paragraph, so tag also referred as their name. Paragraph means P. So P is the tag for the paragraph. So paragraph. So this is the start tag and this is the end tag. And the content comes in between these two pair of tags. So whatever I'm writing here. So let's write here TECH tech to user. So when I will save it, it will source to the browser. So this is the first tag we are using. So there also nesting of the tags is also allowed. So now a tag called HR. HR is horizontal rule, and then we'll save it. Then you can see here a horizontal line is created, and another tag which doesn't have the end tag called the BR tag. When it's saved, this breaks the line. So when we put the BR tag, after that it continues to the new line. So after tag to user is go to the next line. And these element tags are also called the empty element tags, HR and BR. There are also some tags, so you can understand and read those elements after videos. And the HTML is not the case sensitive. You can also write capital P Just save it so you can see there is no change. And if we are right is BR. Save it, BR, and you can see no changes. And HR, let's save. After that, it continues to the new line. So after tag to user is go to the next line. And these element tags are also called the empty element tags, HR and BR. There are also some tags so you can understand and read those elements after videos. And the HTML is not the case sensitive. You can also write capital P, just save it so you can see there is no change. And if we are right is BR. Save it, BR, and you can see no changes. And HR, let's save, no changes is arrived. So HTML is not the case sensitive language, but W3C is recommended to write the HTML tags with the lowercase. So I am changing this to lowercase. So there are certain rules to write a particular language. So HTML also has recommendation to write in the lowercase. Now we go to the attributes. Attributes provide some additional information to the element, and always attributes are specified in the start tag. Means these start tags, this is start tag. So basically this is also an attribute for the meta tag, and this is attribute for this meta tag. So what is the attribute? So write some attributes. Let's change first attribute is style. So style is also the attribute. So style. Let's change the color of this text. So let's change to the blue. And when we save this, you can see the text color is changed. And if we want to change the background color, now change to the black. Now save it. Now you can see this is the background of this whole paragraph is changed. So this is these characteristics is called the attributes. And another attribute we discuss here, HTML is allows multiple attributes. So title, title is also an attribute. Title is a tooltip. That means whatever you write, when you go to the element and put the cursor on that, the tip is provided by the HTML is used by the title. So I am the tooltip. Just save it, and when you click, so you can see here I am the tooltip. This is the title attribute, and this provide the extra information about the element of the HTML. There are lots of attributes defined in the HTML. We will understand all the attributes by one in the later on videos. Now we will move on the text formatting. I'll remove this. Now we need some text. Video you have seen that when I write the lorem 30, it generates the dummy text. Now save this. So you have seen this is the dummy text generated by the Visual Studio Code. Now the code text formatting. How to format this text by using the HTML tag. Now if we need this paragraph in bold format. Then we write a B tag. Now put it B tag. Now save it. Now you can see the text in the bold format. And there is also another tag for bold is strong. And now right here strong. Save it. Now you can see strong is also work as the bold. Now if you try to italicize this text, write the I tag. Now save this. Now you can see the bold characteristics of the text is gone. The whole text converted to the italicized form. And there is also another tag called EM, emphasize EM. Now save this. This is also used for the italicized text, EM tag. Now the another tag is mark tag, mark. Now save. Now mark tag is used for the marker. For example, when we read the book, we use the highlighter to highlight the text. So mark tag is used to highlight those texts. So you can understand this tag. Mark is used to highlight a text. Now there is another tag called the small. If you want to write some text, now first use the attribute style attribute. Change the font size. Font size is equal to 30 px. Now, so text is changed. Now we will use the small tag in between these tags. Small here we will put this small. Now save this. Now you can see the text between these two tags converted to the small format, and you can see these tags. This tag converted to the small, and this tag getting the property of this style format attribute. Now one also delete del means. Now save this. Now you can see delete tag actually does not delete the text, but it create a line which goes through the text. It seems it is deleted, and when you ins a tag which is insert tag, when you put the text in between, then it will underline the text. Now you can see Posium places, this is underline text. So it is used the insert L tag, and this text is written under the delete element. I will now move to the superscript and subscript. What is the superscript and subscript? Superscript means the text which is goes to the subscript, and superscript the text goes to the subscript. So write this sub. When you click on this and paste it, then this SED text you can see this SED. I am written in the subscript. Now save this, then you will see what is the changes is right now. This text goes down, means it goes to the subscript of this text. Now subscript is converted to the superscript. Now SUB. Now this text is written in the down. When you save this, it goes to the upside. Superscript. These are some text. These are some tags for formatting the text. Now, for further detail, we will understand in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my videos. If you are new, please subscribe my channel. Please comment and share.